Hello, people. Hope you're having a great day. Listen, you probably made your portfolio. I bet you did it in InDesign because it's a multi-page document. That's the right software to use for that. And you saved it as a PDF, probably smallest file size because you want to be able to email this easily to your potential employer, client, whoever. But really, what would be cool is if you could make that PDF interactive. In other words, put buttons on the pages that let you just click on something and it takes you to the right spot. I want to show you how to do that. It's pretty cool. I'm just going to share my screen here. We're going to Acrobat Pro. So you might have Acrobat Reader on your computer. It comes free with pretty much every computer, but we don't want Acrobat Reader. We want to work inside Pro because it's got a lot of really great tools. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here, I've got my portfolio. Here's my opening page, and I've got illustrations, I've got document design, I've got 3D modeling. What I'd like to be able to do is put a button on top of those three words and have when my client just clicks on this PDF, it takes them to that page. So there is a really nice trick inside Acrobat to do that. I'm over here, you see there's a bunch of tools on the right-hand side here in your toolbar that you can do organize pages, add PDFs. You can do a lot inside Acrobat. We haven't explored a ton of this, but I recommend that you spend some time in here seeing what you can do. Where we're going is Edit PDF. You get a new set of tools across the top. One of those tools is Link right here. So I want to add /edit web or document link. I click on that and I get just a regular little cursor. And I'm going to use that cursor to draw a box over the word illustration right there, just like that. Then it says, oh, you want to create a link, do you? What do you want it to do? Invisible rectangle. I don't want it to be visible while this is open. I just want them to realize when they roll over it, click, it turns on. Invert when I click on it. That means that it's going to switch the colors on me and it'll go to a page view. In other words, it's going to send me somewhere else inside this PDF. That's what I want it to do. So now I say next, and then it says, okay, where do you want this to go? You just scroll to the page that you want it to go. Here's my illustration page. I say set link. That's as hard as it is. I'm going to do the same thing with document design. There's my button. I want an invisible rectangle, invert, go to page view, yes, next. Then I just scroll away until I get to document design, bingo, set link. And it pops me right back to the page where I was. I'm going to do the same thing on 3D modeling. Yes, I do want all those things. Zip, 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 down to the page that says 3D modeling. This kind of gives you a sense of what my portfolio setup looks like. This is the sample that I made for you guys so that you all know how to do this project. So now once I'm done with that, I can just hit close. In other words, I'm closing the edit PDF tool that I was in. So now what that does is save. I can just do a quick save on my PDF, and now I've got an interactive PDF that when I roll over, notice nothing happens until I roll over this. Hey, there's a button there. Click, illustration, takes me right to that page. Go back to the beginning, portfolio. I could set up another button that takes me back to this page, might be kind of a handy thing. You can mess around, you can have a lot of fun with this. Document design takes me there. And then you'll see here, I've already set these up as buttons. So if I click there, you see the invert color, you see how it switches, and it takes me to the page with the University of Waterloo annual report. So it might be kind of a fun thing for you to mess around with how you'd set up your document so that you can put links inside. The last thing I will mention is that for instance, on my page, document design, I have a little link here to whendidthathappenbook.com. I'm going to put a button on there and send it, instead of inside the PDF, it's going to send it to the web page that takes me there. So you've got lots of other possibilities in here. I recommend that you explore those possibilities and have a lot of fun. I will talk to you soon. Bye.